Here we have a facelift model, all new Range Rover D350 HSE on a 74 plate, done just over 3,000 miles with the right specs. So for me, a HSE and a big Range Rover gives you all the spec you'd wanted. It gives you things like heated seats, cooled seats, heads up display. It's got a sliding sunroof as an extra on this one. It's got 23-inch wheels, shadow line exterior pack, privacy glass, so that car just sits and looks tremendous. And most importantly, it's the 350 horsepower diesel engine. This car's going up for sale £102,990, probably saving £15,000 to £18,000 on the new list price. It's available. If you want to call us and get it reserved, you can. People are snapping these cars up now because they're coming into good value, you know. Just over £100,000, pretty much a brand new Range Rover with all your Land Rover warranty, with all your Land Rover assist, with the right engine, with the right specification. So, shadow line exterior gives you this very darkened grey. It's not black, it's more like a dark grey graphite colour on the badging, on the inserts and on the inserts of the bumper. Digital auto headlights, adaptive headlights, the best headlights you can get. On a HSE, you do not get these wheels. So on a HSE, you get standard 21s, you have to pay up for 22s, or you have to pay up for 23s. They're 23-inch wheels, split spoke, gloss black. The Atlas vents there are in graphite as well. You've got mud flaps as well, and then you've got privacy glass on the side. You've got your deployable handles. I'll just move around the rear. Car always looks tremendous from the back because of these new design LED lights. I'll just pop up the boot. Split folding tailgate. Boot space is huge. And also, which I like, certainly on my Range Rover, if you want to drop them seats down, it is so easy. It's just press them buttons. And even if you only have to use half, it's just so easy, which is what you want. Also, engine, you know, I've touched on it at the start, it's the 350. It's the best diesel engine you can get. It replaced the V8 in the previous model. Moving on inside, so we've got ebony leather, gloss black grand veneer. So if you see that gloss black running throughout the car, that is an optional extra. You don't get that as standard. Meridian 3D surround system. HSE also gives you a lovely little feature, which is illuminated seat belts. The seats in the back are heated and the seats in the back are cooled. 4-zone climate control, sliding sunroof. You've got cabin lighting throughout. Car's lovely. It's only done 3,554 miles. Moving on inside, again, heated seats, cooled seats, memory seats, your gloss black grand veneer. Big one, heads up display, that is part of the HSE. You've then got heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, which is standard. I said at the start, it's a facelift model, so you've got the new screen without the dials underneath, so all your climate and your windscreen, front and rear windscreens are all adjustable on there. ClearSight camera as well, and if I go into here, you can see there heated seats, ventilated seats, and that is the same for the rear. Not only have you got the ClearSight up here, you have the full surround 3D camera system, which, to be fair, and I say it in all the videos, is absolutely fantastic, the camera system. And the general safety features, the blind spot monitoring with your heads up, it is all really good. Sliding sunroof, it's open at the moment, so full glass opening roof. You don't get that as standard on a HSE, it's paid for as an option. And then a couple of other features, you've got wireless charging there, you've got wireless Apple CarPlay, and I will just show you the cabin, a couple of other features before we go. You've got park assist, and then you've got your cabin lighting with all the different colours to adjust there as well. So the car's got, like I said at the start, I think a HSE does everything you'd want. Heads up, the seats. This car's then got the wheels, the sunroof. Going live on all our websites and all our platforms. If you want to call us, the number's on the bottom of the screen. Thank you for watching.